Pitare is a busy, vibrant neighborhood within the greater Karasis region. Thought the immediate area has limited premium lodging. Nearby neighborhoods like Chachao, Altamira, and La Castellana offer a diverse range of high quality hotels from elegant business stays and boutique suites to dependable mid range and affordable guest houses. Here are the top 10 hotels near Pitare that offer comfort, convenience, and excellent value. The first one is Euro Building Hotel and Suites Karasis. Located around 4 to 5 kilometers from Pitare in the upscale Chachao district, this modern 4-star property overlooks a leafy plaza and offers spacious rooms, outdoor pools, a fitness center, and family friendly facilities. Ideal for both business and leisure travelers, rates generally range between US $150 to $170 per night. The second one is Euro Building Express Marketia. Situated in La Guaira, about 20 km from Pitare, this airport adjacent hotel is perfect for transit travelers. It includes clean, comfortable rooms, a relaxing outdoor pool, and complimentary airport shuttle services. Nightly rates typically fall in the US $140 to $160 range. The third one is Hotel Altamira Suites. Just under 6 km from Pitare in the Altamira region, this boutique-style hotel features well-appointed suites, a rooftop terrace pool, and modern decor. Guests appreciate the high level of service, serene ambience, and convenient access to dining and shopping. Rates often hover around US $180 to $200 per night for quality comfort. The fourth one is Hotel Tamanaco Karasis. Located approximately 5 km from Pitare in the La Castellana district, this iconic hotel offers spacious classic rooms, elegant garden, and upscale dining facilities. With a history of hosting business and event travelers, nightly rates usually sit around US $160 to $180 depending on the season. The fifth one is Hotel Continental Altamira. Sit in Altamira, just 5 to 6 km from Pitare. This mid-range hotel provides comfortable rooms, business amenities, and easy access to local restaurants and plazas. A reliable option for most travelers, rate typically range from US $140 to $160 per night. The next one is Hotel Al Arroyo. Located in the Santa Teresa neighborhood, about 6 km from Pitare, this small boutique hotel offers straightforward rooms in a clean residential area. It's known for affordability and cleanliness, with nightly rates starting at approximately US $40 to $45, making it one of the most budget-friendly options nearby. The next one is Hotel Grand Galaxy. Situated roughly 6 km away in eastern Karasis, this budget property delivers simple rooms with basic amenities in a quiet setting. Ideal for short stays or solo travelers, rates typically fall between US $40 to $50 per night. The eighth one is Hotel Guyana Karasis. Located in the Belo Campo neighborhood, about 5 km from Pitare, this upscale boutique hotel offers elegant interior, outdoor lounge, and refined service. Frequently rated very highly, nightly price usually fall between US $350 to $400, perfect for special stays or romantic getaways. The second last is Hotel Chachao Chamberlain. On the edge of Chachao, just 5 km from Pitare, this mid-budget hotel features comfortable rooms, parking, and quiet access to local attractions. With rates around US $60 to $70 per night, it is a practical option for business or transit travelers seeking convenience within lodge. The last one is Hotel Posada La Parada. Located about 6 km from Pitare in the outskirts of Karasis, this small guest house provides basic yet welcoming rooms, on-site breakfast, and very affordable rates, often around US $80 to $90 per night. It is popular for long stays at a friendly price. From modern business hotels and rooftop suites to guest houses and transit-friendly peaks, the Pitare area and adjacent districts offer a diversity of launching options suited to all travel plans. Whether you are in town for events, transit, or local exploration, these accommodations deliver comfort, service, and accessibility no matter your budget.